move on to the next step very quickly. I mean, the next step is PowerPoint presentation. I mean, many of you already know what Annadaata is, but we will quickly go through a presentation and explain the past activities, current activities, and future activities, future plans. Okay. What is Annadaata? Looks like a simple question. Basically, Annadaata is a non-profit organization, and it donates food to unsupported people. That's the cause behind Annadaata. And what we did is we did it in the rural parts of India. Right, that's where we started. Annadaata began August 24, 2011, as a food assistance program. In a village, in just one village. The village was Pittalvamvaram in West Godavari district. That's where we started. The program is pretty successful. Many people liked it. More people want food, right? I mean, there are so many people out there, especially the seniors who have no support, no family, those kind of people. There are more and more people that are asking for food. So by God's grace, with many of your help, we are able to, expand the program. And Annadaata is also doing services in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So since December 2012, so after 1 year we started in, and then we, we started providing services in US too. How did it start? As you have seen Mr. Bhaskar Reddy, he used to work in Meals on Wheels, and he was inspired by Meals on Wheels. And he is basically from a rural India origin, so he started doing something over there, and that's how Annadaata started. So both are like an organization. This is like a professional organization, registered in India and registered in US. It's registered in India as Annadaata Charitable Trust, and it's registered in US as Annadaata Charities Limited. So we are just calling Annadaata, whether it's in India or US. So why Annadaata? There are so many organizations, like they give food. Like why do we need one more organization, Annadaata? So the focus of Annadaata is basically the rural villages. There are some organizations that are working in the cities, but we asked them if they can provide food in the rural areas where the need is greater, but they said, what, we can't do it because of logistics, right? So that's where Mr. Bhaskar Reddy said, what, I will do this. I have a lot of friends, I have a lot of family, I have a lot of support. So with all this, I will do this, and that's where he started, and we all joined. And about the mission, to quickly tell you what the mission is, it's twofold. There is services in India, like to support the senior people who have who cannot support themselves. Basically these people, there are so many people in India, especially in the rural villages. So that is the mission, the first fold. And the second one is to support immigrants who have no adequate means of support in America. So we are also doing those services. We are committed to those services in USA. The past activities, we are doing this. Annadaata is active since 3 years, starting in August 2011. Actually, it's 3.5 years. So Annadaata was providing, food daily. The meal packet. One of the leaders that came to this country from India, he said, what, you guys have a differentiator. Most of the food people, they have to go to the place, where they give the food and then you take the food. But whereas your program is, you go to the home, right, where these old people are there, where these old people cannot really move, right? You go to those people and then give food. I mean, that is your differentiator. It's very nice thing he said. So that's what we do, for in 10 villages, we will also list the name of the villages in the next slide. But in 10 villages in the West Godavari district, right now, we served for 48 elders. Like every day, the food packet goes on time. So that's the past activity, and And in US we also distribute it, like we do grocery distribution, like monthly grocery distribution, and once in a 6 months or once in a quarter we also do like big food drives. So those are all the past activities. We move on to the next slide. The current activities, and as I said, those are the villages. There are 10 villages. You can see if you remember or any of those villages in India. And how to get food, right? I mean, the current activities, we also set up like a charity boxes in Fort Worth Hindu temple. And there's also another temple where we put these boxes, and we collect food, from those boxes. Like people donate the food, and then we distribute the food. Annadath also buys the food, right? Every month, Annadath also buys the food and then gives the food to the people, the immigrant people in US, in the DFW area. All right, what are the future plans? There are future plans in India, and there are also future plans in the US. When it comes to the future plans in India, right? We want to expand the food donation program to more villages. This is not really specific to a particular district or a particular place, right? We want to, expand to other places. We just started as a model in one place, but that doesn't mean that we only stick to that place. We want to expand. There is need everywhere, so we want to expand, right? And then also we want to establish a nodal contact for each village to oversee the execution and quality of the program. There are people right now looking at it, but we also want to set up some dedicated people who can look at the quality, right? For each and every village we want to have those kind of set up those kind of people. And also in India, right, there is a corporate giving that is catching up right now. So we want to go there. We want to approach the corporations, right? Corporations around the place where we are donating the food. And then we want to ask them, can you please, contribute to our cause? So those are some future activities. And then what kind of future activities do we plan for USA? We want to extend the collection and distribution programs to other areas. Right now we are doing in a couple of places in the DFW area, and now we want to extend to the other places. And we also want to implement food distribution drives. Right now maybe we are doing once in a year. Now we want to extend 2 times a year, the big drives, right? And also, there is a plan to open a food pantry for needy people where we can give food. So that's another thing in the plan. And fundraising is also really important, right? Without funds, we cannot do this kind of activities. So we want to go after the local business. We want to go to the grocery stores to collect some food, local business to get some funds, and we also want to go to local restaurants. Maybe they will give some fund or food. Okay, that's the committee. We have strict bylaws, and then that's the executive committee. We have a board of trustees, and we also have advisory board. And for people to donate, right, there are donation plans, like $20 donation, it feeds a senior for a month. Can you imagine if I go to a restaurant, I only get one meal for $20, whereas if I donate, right, $20, it feeds one senior for the whole month. And out of $20 also, government is giving me tax back. That means 30% I'm getting back, even if I'm at probably a higher bracket, but 30% if I'm getting back, it's not even $20, right? 20% take it away, $14 I can feed a person for the whole month. And that's the same thing for a year. If I want to feed a senior for a year, it's $200. But after government help, after the tax benefit, probably it's $140. That's how it comes out to be. And there is also there is a scheme where we can set up a fund for feeding one senior for the whole life. That is $2,500. So those are the distribution, donation plans. Sorry. And we can donate online to make it easy. There is a donate button in the website. Anyone can go, click on the donate and then donate, or they can also give checks or cash. And by the way, Annadatta is a non-profit 501c3 organization, and it was recognized by IRS. So whatever we contribute, right, it is tax deductible. Thank you very much for listening to this. Okay, so we move on to the next. We also have a question and answer session, but we'll keep it a little bit later. We will have few people say a few words, and then we will go to that session. So the next item in the program, I'm inviting